video, we're going to see how ITDroid works with an application. So this time, we're going to analyze a currency app, which sole purpose is to convert from one currency to another. The first thing we can do with ITDroid is select the target languages that we want to analyze for. For example, this time we're going to analyze for Russian. So let's run our command. And the first thing it will do is decode the app and find what are the hard-coded strings and the non-internationalized strings. So as we can see, 101 strings are hard-coded into the app. As well, we can see what are the languages that we selected and which of these ones are not translated or are translated by the app. As we can see, Russian is not translated by the app, so what proceeds is to translate those non-internationalized strings, meaning that they belong to a resource file, and translate it into Russian. After this, it will build a mutant, and then that mutant will be the same application but internationalized. Okay, now that the process is done, we can go into our results folder, and here we are going to find some important information. First, the report.json. We can find some basic information about the command, like the emulator name, the APK name, and at the bottom some other information as well as the number of hard-coded strings. If we go into the language report, for Russian we can see that for the first state that it found on the application, these relations has some change between them compared to this node over here. But as we can see, those numbers are not very significant, so we can go into that non-translated results and translated results to find what that component belongs to. For example, for the node 15, we can go here into Russian, the first state, and then go to the node 15. And there we have it. That's how we know what component was changed. As well, we have this hcs.txt file, which basically contains all of the hard-coded strings on the application and where we can find them, like for example 1.34 on this location.